है ना। अब मैं आपको कुछ अलग से डिफरेंट फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज के डायमेंशन बता रहा हूं। Number one, you see dimensions of some physical quantity. Number one is Planck constant. But its symbol is H. And the formula for the Planck constant is given by E equal to h nu. ये थोड़े से ऐसे टर्म्स होंगे जिनको आपने अभी नहीं पढ़ा है, ये आपको कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ चैप्टर्स में मिलते जाएंगे. So I am explaining the meaning of the each and every term. E is energy. H you can see this is the Planck constant, and nu is frequency. ठीक. So the dimension of the H will be E upon mu. E is ml2 t minus 2 and the nu is t minus 1. Got it? Clear? So the dimension formula for this is ml2 t minus 1. This is Planck universal constant. Then you see a term which is defined as moment of inertia. तो inertia का मतलब जानते होंगे, inertia होता है किसी भी बॉडी का स्टेट ऑफ बिहेवियर. आपकी डेस्क पे जो बुक रखी है सर, वो बुक रखी रहेगी. हाँ, it cannot go itself anywhere until you not pick and take it to somewhere else. This is inertia. Inertia basically says the inherent property of an object by which it cannot change its position itself. So when you say moment of inertia, this is a condition of the rotation. That means any object cannot rotate itself. You are required to rotate it. आपके घर में लगा हुआ सीलिंग पर फैन, आप जब तक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का ना स्विच ऑन नहीं करोगे वो रोटेट नहीं करेगा. डोर पे लिखा होता है पुश अप पुल, वो डोर ओपन और क्लोज तब तक नहीं होगा, वो बेसिकली रोटेट कर रहा है. वो तब तक नहीं होगा जब तक आप उस पर फोर्स नहीं लगाओगे. तो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया, इट्स सिंबल इज आई, and this I equal to mr square. Here I is the moment of inertia, m is the mass, r is the distance from axis of rotation. So I का डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा m is the mass, radius l, तो ml2. Got it? Clear? Number 3.
Yes sir.
Acceleration. Is this clear? Angular acceleration. Its symbol is alpha, and angular acceleration is change in angular velocity upon time. Omega is angular velocity. If you remember, yesterday we obtained angular velocity. Here I am mentioning angular velocity. Its dimension is t minus 1. So this is t minus 1 upon t. So this will be t minus 2. Got it? This is angular acceleration. Number fourth is angular momentum. Yesterday we have seen linear momentum, mass into velocity. This is represented as capital L, and this L is given by mvr. M is the mass, v is the velocity, and r is the radius or the distance. So L ka dimension will be mass. This is Lt minus 1 into L. This is m L2 t minus 1. Now you see physical quantity Planck's constant. There it is, h. And you see angular momentum. This. Both are having same physical, same dimension formula. It does not mean they are having same interpretation. These are the two different physical quantities. Got it? Clear? Okay. So what I am saying now, these may be the format of the question. Someone may ask you, write down the two physical quantity which are having the same dimension formula and the same physical interpretation. So you may write work done and the heat, kinetic energy and the potential energy. If someone asks you, write down the two physical quantity which are having the same dimension formula but the different physical interpretation, frequency and कल एक और बताया था frequency के अलावा t minus 1. Anyone?
वेवलेंथ
वेवलेंथ का तो एल था, चलो उसको बाद में बात करता हूं. तो आप मेंशन कर सकते हो प्लैंक यूनिवर्सल कांस्टेंट एंड एंगुलर मोमेंटम. ठीक, अभी बताता हूं. मैंने t माइनस 1 शायद बताया ना. देखो वेलोसिटी ग्रेडियंट. फवाज अली अहमद, नो वन इन दिस क्लास ना, ही इज इन क्लास 12. वेलोसिटी ग्रेडियंट. This word gradient is basically meant by the change in physical quantity, change in particular physical quantity, जो भी कोई यहाँ पर mention है, in the change of unit distance. I am writing the definition of it. Change in velocity change in velocity with change in unit distance. So velocity gradient is delta v upon delta x. डिस्टेंस x हो गई, v वेलोसिटी हो गई. अगर वेलोसिटी डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला यू सी, दिस इज lt minus 1 upon l. L is cancelled, this is t minus 1. So you see velocity gradient is having the same dimension formula of the frequency, but these are the two different things. Got it? Frequency means the number of the oscillations in the second. Velocity gradient, how much change in the velocity in the unit time, unit distance. Is this clear to all? Is this clear to all? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The difference between velocity gradient and acceleration.
Yes, sir. Clear.
No, acceleration is change in the velocity per unit time. Delta v upon delta t. This is delta v upon delta x. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now you see, please tell me the dimension of the pressure gradient. इसका डायमेंशन बताइए। Dimension of it.
Sir, ML minus 2, T minus 2.
Pressure is ml minus 1, t minus 2. This is pressure and distance is L. Okay. So this is m L minus 2, t minus 2. You were saying the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is velocity gradient. Clear? So like this you may be getting the some other terms. ठीक है? तो ऐसे करते कुछ मिलेंगे. मैं एक और देता हूं. Next is this is number 7. Please you write down all these. And today I will be sending you the complete notes of this chapter also. Specific heat. Its symbol is C. C equal to Q upon m delta theta. Q is heat, m is mass, delta theta is change in temperature. Try to work out it. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Latent heat, its symbol is L. L equal to Q upon M. Q is heat, M is mass. This is the dimension of the latent heat. Is this clear? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So,
Any doubt? Anyone? Okay. So application number 2 is 1 nanometer. Frequency of vibration of stressed wire depends upon length of wire, tension applied on the wire, and mass per unit length of the wire. Find out formula for frequency by method of dimension. हेलो, ईसीएम वाले में? नहीं सर, इस समय तो मुझे 6 पीरियड आज 11th के लिए बोला गया। जी सर, मैं 11th में हूँ सर, 11th साइंस में। हेलो जी, कल दिव्या मैडम ने जो टाइम टेबल भेजा था उसके अकॉर्डिंग से सर। ओके सर। बेटा ट्राई टू गेट इट। दिस इज 6 पीरियड ना बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ओके। The frequency of vibration in the stretch wire depends upon the length of the wire, tension applied on it. Tension means force. So dimension is ml t minus 2. And the mass per unit length. अब mass per unit length को ना mass per unit length, this is m upon l. Symbol you may take mu, so ml minus 1. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is said frequency, this is nu or f. It is depending upon the length of the wire, L to the power x. Nu depending upon tension, suppose that this is T, power pi. This is given mass per unit length, mu to the power z. Got it? Clear? If you combine all three, then nu proportion to, if you remove the proportionality sign, now put the dimension on both sides. This is frequency, this is T minus 1. This is length L. This is T tension, MLT minus 2. This is mu, mass per unit length, ML minus 1.
x equal to 1 minus 1, y is equal to 7 minus 1 by 2, z 1 by
Please you send your solution to me. Photo खींच के भेजो. I am taking this on the another page. This is t minus 1 equal to L to the power x mlt minus 2 whole power y and then mass per unit length ml minus 1 whole power z. This is m L0 t minus 1. This is m to the power y, m to the power z. This is L to the power x, L to the power y, L to the power minus z. This is t to the power minus 2y. Am I clear? Got it? Everyone is comfortable in this?
Yes, sir.
Comparing powers of m. So 0 equal to y plus z. Comparing powers of L. 0 equal to x plus y minus z. Comparing powers of t. Minus 1 equal to minus 2y. So y equal to 1 upon 2. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
If y is
Yes,
1
sir.
upon 2, so z here, this will be minus 1 upon 2, my dear. Am I clear? Now you can substitute the value of the y and the z here. So this is x plus 1 upon 2. You see this is minus 1 upon 2 and this is minus plus 1 upon 2. It is equal to 0. So of course x equal to minus 1. Am I clear in my words? Am I clear in my words?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt regarding this? These are the 26 people along with me. Manas
No,
Mitra
sir.
में absent थे बेटा, ये present थे. शिवम, श्रुति प्रकाश, उन्नति,
Sir.
वेदांशी, आनंदी. Is this clear? Now you can substitute
Yes,
the
sir.
value of the x, y, and z in equation number 1. Where is the equation number 1? This is the equation number 1. Values of in equation 1. So mu equal to k L to the power x to minus 1 t to the power y that is 1 upon 2 mu to the power z minus 1 upon 2. So your formula will be k upon L minus 1 है upon में ले गया, इन दोनों पे अंडर रूट आ जाएगा, अंडर रूट t upon v. Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Is this clear? May I go for the another question or you wish to write it down?
another question.
So next question.
Next question. Very good.
Next.
Very good. Shabash. मजा आ गया. Next question. An object of mass m is attached to a spring of force constant K if it is allowed to oscillate, then show that time period of oscillation T proportion to under root m upon k by method of derivation. Got it? Try to get it.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please.
सर जब k कांस्टेंट है तो सर आपने प्रोपोर्शनल का साइन क्यों लगाया t के बाद?
नहीं, कहाँ ये जो k है ना बेटा, ये सिंबल है फोर्स कांस्टेंट का। ठीक, हम यहाँ जो कांस्टेंट लेके चल रहे हैं ना k, दिस वन, ये हम लेके चलते हैं स्मॉल k। अब अगर कहीं पे कंफ्यूजन लगे कि k इज द कांस्टेंट एंड k इज द फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, तो यू मे एज्यूम, आप इसको कैसे लेके चल सकते हो, t proportion to m to the power x, t proportion to k to the power y। अब k और k में कंफ्यूजन होगा तो t proportion to m to the power x, k to the power y, and then t equal to a। अब बदल दीजिए कांस्टेंट। गॉट इट? हियर
Okay, sir.
a is some dimensionless constant।
सर अंडर रूट एम के सर हो गया।
आप मुझे अपने सॉल्यूशन का फोटो भेजो।
सर डन।
डन, प्लीज सेंड योर फोटोग्राफ ऑन द ग्रुप पर भेज दो जल्दी से। Okay, this boy is, what is the name beta? 9411916559।
क्षितिज गंगवार।
Okay, please mention your name also so that I can, जैसे कृष का आया, कृष ने मुझे मैसेज दे दिया। ओके, गुड। Anyone is having the doubt regarding this question? Anyone? कोई भी बच्चा जिसको इस क्वेश्चन में डाउट आ रहा हो? These are the 25 people. Avika Saxena, Divya, Gauri, Kushagra, Manas. Anyone? Those who have done it, please send the solution. If anyone is having the problem, please tell. Should I give you the complete solution of it? Anyone? Don't hesitate. This is equation number 1. Putting dimensions on both sides. So this is T, m to the power x. K is the force constant. Its dimension is, someone please tell, m t minus 2. है ना? Whole power y. This is m0 t1. Anjali Patel, someone in this class. This is m to the power x plus y, and this is t to the power minus 2y. You can compare x plus y equal to 0. I'm going in direct step. I hope that you people not mind. T to the power 1, t to the power minus 2y, 1 equal to minus 2y. So y equal to minus 1 upon 2. So x will be plus 1 upon 2. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So please all of you send your solutions. I'm sending the another question. मैं दूसरा क्वेश्चन लिखता हूँ. A ball falling freely. Okay, because the class will be getting over in the next 5 or 4 minutes. Take a so you send your solution on the group. A ball is falling freely from a height h in time t. Find out the formula for height in terms of time and acceleration due to gravity. So you can say that the height is depending upon time and acceleration due to gravity. Okay, h proportion to Done? Those who have done, they please send a solution. Zeba, send your solution. Yash Sharma, Vishwa, Unnati, Shruti Prakash, Shruti,
Yes, sir.
send your solutions. Its answer I am telling you, its answer will be coming H proportion to GT square.
Yes, sir.
KT square is good. Okay, your class time is there. You may join the another class. I'm turning off. Okay, clear? You may
Sir,
join
done.
Yes, sir.
because this time is over around.